Welcome back. So let's understand what is JavaScript. So JavaScript is nothing but just a scripting language. Okay. So it was initially created just to make web pages live. So in early days, like before like JavaScript was introduced, so people used to write web pages using HTML and CSS only. But those were only website which were built on HTML and CSS only. So they were used only for displaying. So there, like we wouldn't be able to have any actions. Okay, so that was the reason why JavaScript was introduced. So so let's understand it was like when JavaScript was initially created. Okay, so it was known with the name of LiveScript. Okay, so during that time only, Java was very popular. And then what they thought was if we like placed this Java in front of this script, so I think it may have a popular view. But now if you come across JavaScript is done like independently, and then JavaScript is having its own specification known as ECMAScript. Okay, and now it has no relation with Java. So Java and JavaScript are completely different languages now. Okay, so and then like using JavaScript, it will help you to implement a complex and beautiful design on the web pages. So the famous websites like we have Facebook, Twitter, all the other websites all those things are written in JavaScript only. So when you press like button, so like you are liking someone's post. So that are done using JavaScript only. Okay. So without JavaScript, like all those things will be useless. It's like something you without life. Like suppose you have a toy, but it doesn't have life. It can't do anything. Okay, so now let's understand the different features of JavaScript. Okay, so uh, this was the name I've told you. Like it was initially known as Mocha, and then they changed it to LiveScript, and then it was finally changed to JavaScript. And then JavaScript is an object-based or functional-based programming language, and it also supports polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance. So we can find all this in Java as well. Okay. So, but one thing to note is we can run JavaScript only in browser. Okay, but in the recent years, we can also run this JavaScript wherever we have this JavaScript engine. So, like for example, our Chrome browser it has a JavaScript engine known as V8 engine. So, because of that, we are able to learn we are able to run a JavaScript in our web browser. And then we also have Node, which also uses Chrome V8 engine, so that we can using that we can write JavaScript code in server side also. So so we must always know about JavaScript engine. And then like different browsers have different Java engine. Like for example, I told you Chrome has V8 engine, Mozilla has Spider Monkey, and then I don't remember about other V8 engines. Okay, so like let's try to understand like what makes JavaScript unique. Okay, so JavaScript is unique because like we can fully integrate with the HTML CSS. Okay, and then it is also supported by major browsers like Internet Explorer, Safari, Edge, Chrome, UC browser, Opera Mini browser. All those browsers like they support JavaScript. Okay, and then JavaScript is like very simple, and then we can do simple things very simply. Just for example, like we have a web page where we want to click on a button, and then once we click on that button, we want to do some action. So like it's very easy. Just click the button and then just absorb the event and write other code. Okay, and then JavaScript also it allows us to create a web servers, mobile application, desktop application, etc. Okay, so now you can see like most of the apps mobile application server, like in the web server we have Node.js, in the mobile applications like we have React, we have what we called it, what was that the other name, sorry, in mobile application we have React Native, and then we also have Ionic. We have what was it? Angular. Also, we have some mobile application. Okay, and then in desktop application we have something like Alex. So in the next section we'll learn about like where JavaScript are used with all the examples and all, and then after that we'll set up the environment where we can write JavaScript code. Thank you.